When fish enters the mouth, digestion begins immediately. Teeth break it into smaller pieces, while saliva starts the chemical process. Saliva moistens the food and begins breaking down certain nutrients, preparing it for swallowing. The food travels down the esophagus through coordinated muscle contractions. In the stomach, strong acids and enzymes begin breaking fish proteins into smaller amino acids. These amino acids are the building blocks the body uses to repair and grow tissues. Healthy omega-3 fats are released. Essential nutrients for heart and brain health. The partially digested food moves into the small intestine. Nutrients pass through microscopic villi into the bloodstream. The bloodstream carries these nutrients throughout the body. Amino acids begin repairing muscle fibers and supporting strength. Omega-3 fats strengthen brain cell membranes and improve communication between neurons. These fats also support heart rhythm and help maintain flexible arteries. Omega-3 reduces internal inflammation in joints and tissues. Minerals in fish contribute to stronger bones. A single serving of fish delivers powerful nutrients that quietly support the entire body.